after lot of troubles, today we are fixed that part and discussing about the 3 topics. So Gopal, my voice is audible to you, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, you know, those who are the exchange users, you often use the archival drive. Did you see any archival drive here? Basically, the function of archival drive is a separate database and only used for to archive your old non-active mails. That means that mail topic or trend was closed and you are keeping this for the future reference, so no longer use it. So in that case we all, but as you know, the database backup retention, it will automatically delete old 90 days mail. So if you move them in archival database, it will keep same. So if exchange enabled, exchange administrator give you that option, so you can use archival drive in your mail. So today in these topics I'll tell you how to enable archival database for the users. In that case, you have to come to here, and what you need to do, you have to go to server and create a database. So basically here we go to server, in database we will create one database, that is archival database. Okay.
So one question, Dada. This archival database will be used by all users or only the one? It's like on an individual basis, like mailbox.
To whom you are giving, it will work. Simple. Got it?
Okay. But it's like we can give to anyone, right? Like 2-3 people we can give access to the database for archive.
Exactly. You can.
Okay.
So first I am creating an archival database. Now what I need to do, you have to go to recipient. Now where I am going to do it, Gopal. So in that case, right click, there is an option In-Place Archive. It is a basically we call In-Place Archive. So your archive is visible, I will just make it enable. Click on, you have to select your mailbox database. So select your archival database, click on. Archiving is a premium feature that require an enterprise client access, CAL license. Okay. Now see that after your user there is an archive option system. So you can give user specific. If you want to do this for VIP user, you can do VIP. If you for all user, you can go for all users. But overall, you need to manage the space, you remember. Now what you need to do, go to client system.
One small question, Dada. So basically, it will show in AD also similarly, or it will show as user only, not after archive. What is showing here?
Sorry, I'm not getting what you are saying. What are you saying, Gopal?
Yeah, as it is showing here that after user it says archive in the bracket. Will it show similarly in AD also, or it will show won't show?
No. It is only for exchange. See now, this is an archival database.
Okay.
See that this is an archival database. See that. Your archival is unable. Please try again later. Okay. So right now your archival it's still not showing. So do one thing. You can remove. Let's say this mail is very important for you. So you can move to archival. Okay. Got it. Move to your where In-Place Archival folder. Acha, archival happens to be unable, please try again later. Acha. So basically it is take a time because okay, do one thing. Just a minute. Go to server. start the Microsoft Exchange Information Store service. So in that case, what we can do now, go to here. Okay, once you start now, it will work. It will work. Now let's sign out and then sign it again. Now let's you have login with Gopal. So Gopal, you can move this folder to move to your archival. So disable archival, and again I am doing enable. After we start the service, so now hopefully this is showing here as the archival, right? Stop it. Basically, you know, I'm telling you what happened. After you create the archive database, it will take some time. Your archive appears to be unavailable, please try again later. So it will take an initial service initialization, all those parted. Fine. So you understand how to added that archival. Even I'm telling you, even I'm logging with Gloria, this option will not come. Even I'm logging with Gloria, this option will not come. Or any other users who is there, let's say Donald. Did you see that archival option, Gopal? No, na?
No, yeah.
So per user specific, you can enable the archival options. Now service will, you know, initial later on, so it will take a time. This is basically a quota, all those stuff says how many things is there. Okay, so fine. Let's open the Outlook. See, archival is showing here. Now you can move any folder online archival folder. See that. So now I'm telling you, same things you can do through web access as well. Now this mail you need to move to your archival folder. In web it will take some time, but Outlook you can do it. Through Outlook you can see, okay, your archival you can put it here, but Outlook web it will take time. So now what we can see now, if I go to here, see that 5136.2 KB used out of 100%, 100 GB. So as you have moved that file, you remember, as you have moved one file here, it will count it here.
So it will be here for how many days?
For a long time, for a long time, for a long time.
Okay.
Such size that, see that size of mail. How much size? Approximately okay, let's move another file, you will see the size will increase. As of now, what is the size? 513, right? So let's move one file more. See that it is increased. Did you see that? 553 to 558.
Yes.
Yeah. So that was the in-place archive option, how to enable, right? Now I'm telling you one thing, that is group moderator access. So generally we have a lot of groups, right? Like dynamic groups, security groups. So generally what happens? If we send mail to central server team, so who are there in the central server group, mail will be reached there, right? And if I go to here, who are the membership? So those who are the member of that, this group will be send mail to him. I1, no one can send any mail without moderator access. I1, that means if you send mail to central server team, okay, so it will not go. It will send notification to the approver. If you approve, then mail will go to here. So generally every organization, na, for all the VIP users, they have a group. If someone send mail to that group, good morning everyone, hi, how are you? So that want to restrict by this option, mail access moderator. I mean mail group access moderator. In that case, what you need to do, select any group, let's say dynamic group or security groups, whatever it is. Select on the here.
Nada, have you stopped sharing? I can't see your screen.
You are not able to see my screen.
Just now.
Sorry?
Like for 1 or 2 minutes, I am not able to see the screen.
Now it's working.
No.
Still not.
No.
Now you can see that.
Yes, I can see.
See that. So if I select that group, click on these edit options. There is options called the message approver. Click on that.
Okay.
So here this option, message sent to this group have to be approved by a moderator. If you click on these options, so it will ask you the moderator. Who is the moderator? Let's say I am making moderator Gopal. Gopal will be moderator. And sender who don't require message approval. And here select the moderator options 2, and you have to select, you can select sender who can send message to this group without message approval. So in that case I am adding Gopal, and also let's say Gopal, at the central server itself, okay, click on save. Right, now I am logging with Donald. Now generally Donald will send mail to central server team. Central server team. Now once you click on central server team, you will type here, see that message sent to central server team is are moderated. They may be rejected or delegate remove recipient. Okay, so I will send hi everyone. Add subject good morning. Now once you send mail, it will send notification to whom? It will send notification to Gopal Chaudhary. He is the moderator of that group. Okay, let's say sign out and log in with Gopal Chaudhary. This will comes to Gopal as a approval. Will you be approved that message? See that. Microsoft Exchange on behalf of Donald. Your decision, approve or reject. What is written? What is that? Hi everyone. Subject line good morning. My goodness. Need to reject. Edit the response before sending. Don't send any junk mail, else mail not approved. So you send mail, so you have rejected him. Okay, now it's look like this. Now Donald will receive the same things. That Gopal Chaudhary has rejected your mail. But generally, Gopal, these are the features, okay? So everything, all feature cannot be possible, because if it is a production group, every time in a mail times 400, 500 mails are coming, right? But yes, this can be applied in VIP users. Understood? This can be applied as VIP users.
Actually, we have one scenario. There is actually a user who was part of our team. He has moved to.
See that?
Yeah.
A message come. Your message was rejected by moderator for this recipient. What moderator message?
Yeah.
Don't send any junk mail, else mail not approved. That's it.
Yeah, so there is actually one scenario. There is a user who was like part of our production team, but he has moved to some different team. So we have been told not to send email to him any like before confirming with the manager. So I think this would be a very good idea, and we can suggest, right?
Sorry, I'm not getting. What you are saying?
So there was a user, okay, we used to send him like mails regarding any issues that we had. He has been moved to another team now,
Hmm.
and we have been told by management not to send email to him,
Hmm.
any case.
Hmm.
All right, and if you need to send, confirm with the manager, the main manager.
Hmm.
All right. So in this is actually one of the scenarios I think we can use this, right? Like
Exactly.
okay,
But you can block that users. I mean, once that person has left, you definitely stop his mailbox, as well as if it is external user, you can block it. That is the features available. I will tell you. That is not a big deal.
no, he is internal user only. Only thing is that he was earlier part of technical team management. We used to send him for any issues, but now he has moved to the what you call the like main business, like not
Perfect.
technical, the main business. So
Now,
we have been
now,
told
now,
not to contact him.
now I'm telling you your answer, your question answer will be the next topic. That is,
Okay.
so group moderator options you understood, right? Next, we
Yes.
will discuss about the mail access moderator. That means some users, those who are corporate HR, let's say corporate HR, so they
Yes.
definitely send mail to public Gmail, public mail access for the sending their offer letters and all those stuffs. So in that case, it is strictly, you know, examine their each mail content whether he has sent or not. In that case, the notification should need to send their manager or exchange admin that before he is sending, trying to communicate that external user which is not in our organization, please examine and then allow. Then only the mail will trigger to the requester or sender. So in this case, what you need to do, you have to enable mail moderator option. So in that case, go to mail flow and click on rules. Okay, click on add rules. So here, go to the last option, send message to a moderator. In that case, your option is uh, you know, external mail observer. Okay, apply. If sender is, so in that case you can apply this to entire group or any particular users. So let's say the sender, if the sender is Donald, let's say Donald is the HR, right? So if the sender is Donald, do the following: forward this message to approval. Whom? Who is approver? Gopal Chaudhary. Any mail, any mail, if the sender recipient is acha, inside organization, outside organization, that was the rule. External mail observer rule name, the recipient is located outside the organization, forward this message for approval to Gopal Chaudhary. Okay, choose the mode of these rules, enforce, test the policy, tips, or something else, click on save. Next, what you need to do, so I have applied to the Donald, so let's log in with Donald. Now Donald sent offer letter to some external user, let's say siddharoy@gmail.com. Offer letter. Hi, this is your offer letter. Kindly check and acknowledge. Okay, to send. So normally this will not go to the requester anyhow. It will comes to Gopal Chaudhary. See, Donald will come here. Donald has asked to approve the attached message for the delivery siddhara@gmail.com. Okay, this is your offer letter, kindly check it. So you check the attachment, all those stuff. Then after once you approve, then mail send to siddharoy@gmail.com. Is that clear? Is that
Yes,
clear?
yes.
Or else this will not done. So your question answer is clear.
Yes, sir, yeah.
Perfect.
Because yeah.
So today a lot of travels we do, huh? I mean, we have not even expect that we have successfully completed that class today even. Anyway,
Yes.
patience is matter. You have to be the patient because not every time not cannot be smooth, right? So
Yeah.